Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use labels and colors to organize Google Keep Notes. So organizing your keep notes with labels and colors will make it easier to find and categorize informations. And through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to using labels and colors effectively. So if you want to add labels to your notes, it actually acts like tags that will help you categorize your notes by topic or purposes. So on desktop or web version, you can just open a note that you already create, or you can create a new one. For example, I'm going to just open this notes right here. And now you can just click on this three dot menu at the bottom and choose to add a label. This one. Now you can just choose an existing label if you already create one, or just create a new one by typing a name and pressing enter. For example, I will just go with A. Now you can just tap on create A. Now you can just close it. And now you can see the notes will be labeled as A. So if you want to view notes by label, you can just click a label from the left hand sidebar. You can see now the label will be appear in here. And then if you want to add color to your notes, it actually will help you visually distinguish notes at a glance. So on desktop here, you can just open a note, again this one, and here you can just click on the color palette icon, this one that says background options, and you can just choose your desired color. Okay, I'm going to just go with sand. Now you can see the notes will be colored or different color like this. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.